Set it and forget it. A lot of people don't want to talk about that when it comes to investing. When in doubt, zoom out and look. Most of the time, sitting your money and letting it accumulate over time is actually better than constantly moving your money. So I want to dive into what I see is one of the biggest mistakes many of my clients make. Here with Earl, the Money Coach. Make sure you like, comment, and check the description to get $150 to help you with your credit, plus other things for loans and instant approval on life insurances. So with that being said, let's dive into this problem. Many first time people, when it comes to investing, first time investors, they want to move with the crowd, with the masses. They hear your Apple, they hear your Netflix, they hear your Nvidia, they hear all these different things, your crypto, your XRP. I want to hop into this. I want to hop into that. I want my money to be diversified, which is fine. But if you're moving it so many times, you could get hit with taxes, your penalties, your capital gains, all these different things. Warren Buffett says it best. If you're just leaving your money in the S&P 500, 9 out of 10 times you will outperform someone moving it all the time. If you just have your money in a Roth IRA, set it and forget it, most of the times you will outpace what most people are doing. This is a common mistake. Now, I'm not saying don't do it. I'm not saying don't do it if you have experience. But for most first time people, when I see that, they're not ready to take those losses. As soon as the market drops, they start panicking. We've seen this time and time again. We've seen pump and dumps. We've seen the over the night cryptos. We've seen so many things that people want to buy quickly. And as soon as they're in, as soon as they're out, which could cause a lot of people to just get their feet swept out from underneath them. This is why you have to A, be okay with losing funds, B, be okay with understanding if I'm setting this for retirement for a long-term strategy, it's okay. But what I do recommend is having what we call MCP. I talked about it earlier, market correction protection. Are you having some of your financial strategies and some of your financial savings and accounts that even if the market goes down, you still are locked in? That is so huge because so many people will have money in variable accounts. For those that don't know, there's three major accounts. You have your fixed accounts, that's your banks, your checking, your saving, your CDs. Some of these places where you put money in, you know it's safe, but it's not really growing. You have your variable accounts, your 401ks, your IRAs, your stocks, your mutual funds. You get high risk, but you also get high reward. Then you have your index accounts where you have a floor where zero is your hero. It's a long-term strategy, so it may take you 10, 15 years to get to where you want to be. But you want to diversify and have something in all these accounts, but definitely make sure that you're stressing on understanding sometimes set it and forget it could be the best strategy for you. I don't know who needs to hear this, but I know someone right now, they're ready to go all in on something brand new that someone just told them about a few weeks ago, which potentially could be not just catastrophic, but it could be cumbersome trying to move money with taxes, penalties, fees, and capital gains, all these things. So make sure you're just taking time to sit back, relax. When in doubt, zoom out. Does the 5 year track, does the 10-year track, does the 15-year track of what you're investing in have a long-term steady gain, a long-term steady growth? Because that could really make or break your retirement. So that's all today with Earl the Money Coach. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and check the description below to get $150 to help boost your credit and get instant approval on loans and life insurances. I'll see you at the top.